Hello everyone, welcome back. So we have completed the architect and the planner one. Now we go to the spec to plan. So if I go to my VS Code and see the output which we had before, yep, this one. So I explained last video about this one. Now what we'll do, we will invoke the spec to plan. Now for now, what I'll do, I just do the effort medium maybe, but I'll just keep the Opus because I feel Opus is way better than the Sonnet for the planning phase or brainstorming phases. Okay, now let's start with spec to plan. Okay, spec to plan, because we have plans. Because our current project is too big, so big, so the plan document is actually the container of all of the phases, and one of the phase is this one. Usually this is a rare case. What we usually do in our office works or in your professional life, we have a way better or way smaller requirement document, so the spec becomes more digestible. But for now, yeah. So I have seen through all of the project documents. You already have well structured implementation plan with 7 phases. Real phase 1 is in here. Yes, the existing plan already follows good spec to plan principles. Each phase goal. Okay, spec to plan. Now I want to create and a detailed. I want to create detailed planner and document for the spec. Let me just, okay, let's see what it says. Okay, so it has started. Writing plan. Yes, not sure what it will write, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, so let's see. Yes, yes. What it is doing is splitting the spec and converting them into what? Group maybe? Let's see. Just showing you that still the cloud is working. 12 minutes, and it has said now I have the API reference I need. So it's writing the complete plan. So let's wait. Okay, at last something happened. Let's see. Only one file. Oh, okay. Maybe not. Maybe all file. Wow. Now dispatching 5 parallel review agents, one per chunk. Okay. But let's see. What did it write? So, project scaffold implementation plan. Okay, so architecture, file structure. There's Good. Then the project initialization. Then we have, I'll go through it later. Let's wait for it. I think it's reviewed. So the plan is written here, and summary. Then we have chunk 4 review approved, chunk 5 review issues found. Where's chunk 1? Oh, sorry. Okay, something is happening. Let's do yes. I'll go through all of the changes with you. But is it started the implementation? Is it? Oh, no, no, no. It's still in the infra file. Okay. That's the scary part of working in AI mode, like with AI agent, that sometimes it goes away from the defined path and we have to bring it back to what it was doing. Yep. What I can do is I'll just allow everything. Yep, I think that will be faster for both of us. Okay, so it had made the file. Let's first review the updates together. So yeah, so after reviewing its own plan, it actually found some missing areas and it has created the things it needs to update on the plan. Okay, so then it went through the document places and it changed the plan, not the actual code that I mistaken. So yeah, I think it's quite comprehensive. So what I'm going to do now is I will do effort high and I will re-review the whole thing and then I will commit the plan and then I will review the actual plan with you in the next video. So this video was all about like preparing the file. Okay, so let me, so far we have corrected the, what do you call it, let me think first. So yeah, this is what I wrote. So far we have reviewed this document and prepared a dedicated plan for this spec. The plan should contain high-level tasks which we need to perform in sequential order. So because now what I did in front of you, it is now the high effort, Opus 4.6. So it will again grind the whole plan and ensure that if the phase 1 is actually properly converted to the plan document or not. I think I should come up with better wording, but yeah, let's go with it now. So it will change and update the file. I will not long the video. So after completing the document, I will review with you in the next video. Thank you for watching.